Okie dokie. The last thing that I want to teach you in this section is how to improve this try and catch. So here we have the file writer, print writer, and then we have to flush and close. Now, do we have to do this every time? Well, the answer is no. So if we look into this class in here, so basically print writer, which is this guy. So let's just look into this command and then navigate to it. And you can see the keyboard shortcut. Now this extends writer, and also have a look. We have auto flush in here. So let's just see where this has been used. So auto flush in here. I'm just trying to see whether this has been used. Right. So here, if this is auto flush, then it just flushes for us. Now in here, what I want to show you actually is, if I open up the writer class, so this is a class, abstract class, and you'll learn more about abstract classes later, implements closable and flushable. So if you have any class which implements closable and flushable, this means that we can use try with resources. It means that we can use try with resources. Now, what this means. So let me just show you in code. It means that we can replace this try and catch with the following. So I'm just going to leave it here so you can see. So I'm going to say try and then open parentheses. And we're going to take this first line in here. So we're going to take that, put it inside, and we have an error, and this is because, so we need to do something here. But let's also take this print writer, Command C, and within this try catch, so within this parenthesis, let me just put this on a new line, just like that. So you see, have semicolon, and then paste the writer as well, because it's a dependency in here. And now we can have curly brackets. And finally, we can have the catch, IO exception, E, and this now should resolve the error. We can just take this print line, paste it in, and the only thing that we need to do now is take the print line and then put it inside, just like that. So this now is basically try with resources. So the file writer and the print writer, so I didn't actually show you. So the file writer, if I scroll up to the class in here, extends output stream writer, and this also extends writer. So you saw that writer has appendable, closable, and flushable. So anything that implements closable and flushable, and you'll learn about this implements keyword later, but anything that implements this closable and flushable, it means that we can use try with resources. And what this means really is that we don't have to flush nor close. So all of that is taken care for us. So you can see that we went from this to this piece of code, and this is try with resources. Now, obviously, if I change this to Bianca, for example, and let's just comment this for now, so you have it for reference. So if I come back here and let's try to write to the file, and this will be append. So let's just change this to true and then run it. You can see that Bianca was successfully added and we read Bianca back out. So this is try with resources, which I wanted to teach you. Now, if you see anywhere in your Java code where you have to flush and close, always use try with resources, because you don't have to flush nor close. You can find all of this code in the examples, and if you have any questions on this, please do let me know. Otherwise, catch me on the next one.